don't know.
I had to burp. I know, so I'm fart like a madman. Who would that be?
Lauren.
Oh my god.
Lauren.
Oh, probably. No doubt. No one wakes up and says, oh, something smells.
I don't know.
Oh my god. Crazy. I don't think you'd want to know. I don't want to know either. What the fuck? Person's birthday, what the hell? Really? You man.
No.
No, that was Gloria.
Yep. Just let it out.
No. But I've heard her seen her bang her head before. On the fucking door.